Hello, this is an unboxing video of the EZDIY-Fab 360 degrees angle adapter. It's a PCIe 8-pin angle adapter. It's really good because it keeps your cables in one from dangling about, and basically it keeps your system all neat. Let's do the unboxing. Okay. This is 360 degrees reversed adapter for your PCI Express card. Let's see what else comes in the box. Instructions. How to mount the adapter. I don't know if you can see that, but that's it, folks. Enjoy your product. It's a nice adapter. Looks really cool on this RTX card. I like it. It's beautiful. Keeps my cables away from dangling. And it's alright for the price. I think this is a quality adapter for 360 degrees. You plug into your RTX card, 8-pin, and to the reverse of the 8-pin. EZDIY-Fab's 180 degrees EZ adapter. Awesome product. Love it. Would I recommend it? Yes, I definitely recommend it. Keeps your cables all tidy in one place. No messing around with cables. I love this adapter.